So welcome to another home vlog. The boys just left. They are going up to the fort. We got reservations for 3 nights. They're going to stay Monday and Tuesday night, and we are going to leave early Wednesday morning and head up to spend one night, come home on Thursday. In the meantime, one of the reasons we're staying home is because Laura and I have a special project that we're going to do. We're going to repaint her bedroom. So we have less than 48 hours to do so before we're going to pack ourselves up and go up to the fort. So yeah, so this should be exciting. So let's go. Just a quick look what her room looks like now. Just sort of the pale walls. She took down a lot of her pictures that weren't in frames, so we still have to do all that. This wall is usually completely covered. And she's got all of her collectibles that we still have to deal with, so yeah. So this is the room as it is now. So we have emptied the room as best as that we're going to do. All the walls and nails have been removed, curtains removed. We got the bed and the desk pushed into the middle of the room. So we're off to Home Depot. We'll see you later. Okay, so we just got back from Home Depot. We have our paint. Got a nice 1-coat, high guaranteed, long-lasting beauty and durability. We've got it for the baseboards. We got this little lip thing so I don't make a mess. We've got our tape to tape everything off. We got our drop cloth so we don't make a mess. We got our stir sticks, our little opener, and we got this cute little one-time throwaway thing we don't need to worry about. It was 10 bucks, so got everything here for $100. So now we're just going to clean all the baseboards and tape everything off, and gonna get started. We got the tunes on. See. And I know I'm gonna be hitting into this soon. It's just coming. It's just coming. I'm telling you right now. Okay, so we got home from the store at 3 o'clock getting all this stuff. So it's now 6 o'clock. So Lauren and I worked non-stop. She taped off the whole room. I put down the drop cloths. Every inch is covered. And we are going to take a break. It's 6 o'clock. I didn't say that, so 3 hours it took us to do that. So we're going to take a break and have something to eat, have a couple drinks. I'm going to have a couple drinks anyway. And then we're going to get back to it and start painting so that it can dry overnight. Right, it is 9:30, so it took us 2 hours. The walls are done and painted. It's actually a very different color purple in person than on the camera. It looks much darker, but it's actually a brighter purple, a lighter color in person. That's cool. So yeah. Step 1 done. Now we just have to do the trim. Okay, it is midnight and we are done. We are done. It is not perfect, but it is good. And it is a start for our first room. We had a couple boo-boos, but nothing that can't be fixed by a little white touch-up paint. And yeah, so we did the baseboards in a darker purple. Like I said, it's midnight. We got home at 3 from the store. So it's been a busy day. Alright, so it's the next day. Lauren is outside painting the pin board and the outlet covers. I came in today and fixed all the boo-boos, made the lines all straight. Got rid of all my mishaps on the ceiling. Fixed up the baseboards a little bit. Yeah, so, yep, that's it. We're just gonna let it dry and start putting everything back together. We will slowly redecorate from here till Christmas, so perhaps that will be in another home vlog. By no means is the room completely decorated, but we have a good base start for our haunted mansion bedroom theme. Just got our computer all back, our stuff. We're going to take our time hanging the pictures. Sure does look nice empty, doesn't it? We'll have to wait for the pin board to dry, and just got our pins. You can put those back up. But yeah, we did a good job. I think we filled all the holes, sanded everything down, painted it, fixed all the little mistakes we made in the meantime. And I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy.